Hey guys, a little while back I talked about going through old tutorials every so often to see if I could incorporate them into larger wall hangings or if any new ideas emerged. I had an idea to adjust this old pattern a bit and see if I could create an overlapping pattern to incorporate more colors. Here's what I came up with. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. To create this pattern, you'll need 2 pieces of 3mm string in the color Peacock and 2 pieces of 3mm string in the color Pumpkin Spice, each piece is 8 feet in length. Attach the pieces to your dowel from left to right in the order you see here. Fold the first 2 pieces of string so that there is 5 feet on the left and 3 feet on the right, and then attach using Lark's head knots. Fold the second 2 pieces of string so that there is 3 feet on the left and 5 feet on the right, and then attach using Lark's head knots. Start by tying a small diamond with the 4 inner cords. If you need a little extra help with this diamond, please see the description for a link to a more in-depth tutorial. Use the inner left cord as your filler cord and tie 2 double half hitch knots working to the right. Use the inner left cord as your filler cord and tie 1 double half hitch knot working to the left. Using the same filler and working cords, tie another double half hitch knot, this time working to the right. Repeat that knot on the right side of your work. Use the inside left cord as your filler cord and tie a double half hitch knot working to the right. Using the cord on the left, create a loop and then bring the cord in front of the cord beside it. Bring it behind and around the cord and then through the loop as I've done here. Bring that cord behind the cord beside it, around to the front, and then through the loop. You've now created a lark's head knot attached to a filler cord. Bring the knot up the filler cord to sit it underneath the diamond. Repeat that process to create another loop. Repeat that process 4 more times to create 6 loops total for now. Using the pumpkin spice string on the left, repeat the same process to create 5 loops. Create another 5 loops using the pumpkin spice cords on the right. Sometimes it's tricky to switch sides, so here's how to create the lark's head knot on this side. Tie a small diamond with the 4 pumpkin spice cords. Tie 2 more loops with the peacock string on the left to total 8 loops. Then once complete, tie another 8 loops with the peacock string on the right. Tie another small diamond with the 4 peacock cords. I was figuring out this design as I went, so I apologize if I was jumping back and forth from one color to the next. You'll need to start with 5 loops for the top layer, but once those are complete, the process is quite repetitive for both colors. Create a small diamond and then tie 8 loops on both sides and repeat. This design would look so lovely created on the left and right sides of a wall hanging and then brought together in the middle. The loops add that little extra something. Thanks so much for watching.